Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss one more question paper, that is from Introduction to Trigonometry. Section A. First question, if tan theta is equal to A by B, then the value of A sin theta plus B cos theta divided by A sin theta minus B cos theta is A square minus B square divided by A square plus B square, B, A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square, C, A divided by A square plus B square, D, B divided by A square plus B square. Okay. Tan theta is equal to A by B. Tan theta means opposite side divided by adjacent side. So, first we have to draw one right triangle. This is theta, ABC. Then tan theta means opposite side divided by adjacent side, A by B. Then hypotenuse is equal to root of A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Okay. Then A sin theta. First we have to find sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, A divided by root of A square plus B square. Then cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side means that is B divided by hypotenuse, that is root of A square plus B square. Okay. Then A sin theta plus B cos theta. A sin theta plus B cos theta divided by A sin theta minus B cos theta, that is equal to A into sin theta means A divided by root of A square plus B square. So we can write here A square divided by root of A square plus B square plus B cos theta. Cos theta B divided by root of A square plus B square. So B into B means that is B square divided by root of A square plus B square divided by A sin theta. A sin theta means that is also A square divided by root of A square plus B square. Then minus B cos theta means B square divided by root of A square plus B square. So we have to take LCM, that is root of A square plus B square. Then here A square plus B square divided by, here also we have to take LCM, A square minus B square divided by root of A square plus B square, that is equal to A square plus B square divided by root of A square plus B square into root of A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square. We can cancel this root of A square plus B square and root of A square plus B square. So we will get A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square. So A square plus B square divided by A square minus B square, that is option B. Okay, understood? Then we can see next problem. Reciprocal of cot A. Reciprocal of cot A. Cot A means adjacent side divided by opposite side. So reciprocal of cot A, that is tan A. So option B. Okay. Then third question. If 3 tan theta is equal to 4, find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, then 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, you can divide this numerator and denominator separately with the cos theta. Here also you can divide by using cos theta. Then 5 into sin theta by cos theta means that is tan theta minus 3. We can cancel this cos theta and cos theta. Okay, then 5 into sin theta by cos theta means that is tan theta plus 2. that is equal to 5 into tan theta is equal to 3 tan theta is equal to 4. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So, we can write here tan theta means that is 4 by 3 minus 3 divided by 5 into 4 by 3 plus 2. That is equal to 20 by 3 minus 3 divided by 20 by 3 plus 2. That is equal to 20 minus 9 divided by 3 the whole divided by 20 plus 6 divided by 3. We can cancel this 3 and 3. Then 20 minus 9 means that is 11 divided by 26. 11 divided by 26. So, our option C. Understood? Okay. Then, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. Triangle ABC, right angled at B. This is 90 degree and this ABC. Okay. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Sin C is equal to 1 by 2. Sin C is equal to 1 by 2. Determine the length of AC. Sin C that is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse AC. Sin C is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 2 into 5 means that is 10 centimeter. So, our option is D, 10 centimeter. Okay, then next. Then fifth question. If sec theta is equal to 25 by 7, find the value of tan theta. Sec theta means a reciprocal of cos theta. That means hypotenuse by adjacent side. So, this is the triangle ABC, right angle at B, and this is theta. So, hypotenuse that is 25, then adjacent sides that is 7. Then we should find the opposite side. 25 square minus 7 square. 25 means 625 minus 49. That is equal to 576. 570 root of 576 means that is 24. Okay. Then tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is equal to opposite side that is 24 by adjacent side 7. So, our option is B. Understood? Okay. Then next, sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Sin 60 that is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 also root 3 by 2 plus that is sin 30 means that is 1 by 2 into cos 60 that also 1 by 2. So, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 that is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So, our option is B. The next, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay, 2 tan square 45. 2 into tan 45 means that is 1. 1 square that is also 1 plus next cos 30. Cos 30 means that is root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 square means that is 3 by 4. Then minus next sin square 60. Sin square 60 means that is root 3 by 2 the whole square, that is 3 by 4. Then 3 by 4 and negative 3 by 4 cancel, we will get answer 2. So, our option A. Understood? Okay, then the value of sin square 30 minus cos square 30. Sin square 30 means, sin 30 means that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square means that is 1 by 4 minus cos 30 root 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4. That is equal to minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, our option A. Okay. The next, if 3 cot theta is equal to 2, then tan theta is equal to 3 cot theta is equal to 2. So, cot theta is equal to 2 by 3. cot theta is equal to 2 by 3, then tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. So option B. Then 10th question. In triangle ABC, right angle at C, value of A plus B is equal to 0, 1, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Triangle, right triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay, then this is 90 degree, then A plus B is equal to 90 degree. But cos of A plus B means cos 90 is equal to 0. So option A. 11th question. Find the value of theta if 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Then sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So 2 theta is equal to 60. Therefore theta is equal to 30. So option B. Find x if tan 3x is equal to sin 45 into cos 45 plus sin 30. Tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to sin 45, that is 1 by root 2, into cos 45 also 1 by root 2, plus then sin 30. Sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Tan 3x is equal to 1. So tan 3x is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Therefore 3x is equal to 45. Therefore x is equal to 45 by 3, that is equal to 15. So option A. The next. If tan of 3x plus 30 degree is equal to 1, find x. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So tan 3x plus 30 is equal to 1. So 3x plus 30 is equal to tan 45. So 3x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 5. So our option D. If cosec 30 plus cot 45. Cosec 30 means that is the reciprocal of sin 30. Reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 means that is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of sin 30 means 2 plus cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to 1. So our option is 3. So our answer is D. Okay students, study up to here. The remaining case study questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.